We on?
Yep.
There we go. We got Dash getting his bath. We're dyeing him purple. Right? Are we dyeing you purple? Making you pretty? The fire truck show this weekend. Or a Tractor Supply. Look at all the special stuff that gets his fur white again. But they supply you with orange stuff, oatmeal, wash and whatnot. I'm trying to get it. He gets pet so much down at the market and everything. Everybody loves him. So I'm trying to get his head clean again. But he gets in the dirt and digs. He's a white dog, so he gets dirty real easy. So this is the part he really doesn't like too much. She's coming. All right, ready? Trying to make it white again. It's all right. It's all right.
He's scale. He doesn't look that old.
Because you like playing with that deer and everything, right? So this Dash getting a bath. Not bad. Doesn't like the water in space. I don't blame him. How do you look? Do you feel better? Ooh, you're giving me a shower now. I'm gonna go to the vacuum. All right, you can turn that off then.